This is a 2008 Lincoln Navigator, a luxurious package designed with the finest elements in mind. It features a 5.4-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity headlights, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a premium sound system, leather seats, running boards, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a brake assist system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. This Lincoln has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.